Hello, welcome back to Bucks County Beer Reviews. We got a gorgeous afternoon, nice cool but very sunny, excellent weather for being outside. And today we're going to do the last of the Kona Brewing variety pack that I purchased. And today we're going to look at Longboard Island Lager. I'm going to review this one, and then I'm going to compare it to the Big Wave Golden Ale, which I've already reviewed, but I'm just going to try to decide which of these two I like better. The Longboard Island Lager is a 4.6% ABV with 20 IBUs. It gets a 3.40 on Untapped with 295,000 reviews. And what it has to say about this beer is, it's a smooth, refreshing lager fermented and aged for 5 weeks at cold temperatures to yield its exceptionally smooth flavor. A delicate, slightly spicy hop aroma complements the malty body of this beer. The malts used are pale 2-row. The hops are Mount Hood, Hellertall, Sterling, and Millennium. And it has 134 calories and 11 grams of carbs. Now, just for comparison, the Longboard, I said, gets a 3.40 on Untapped. Excuse me. The Big Wave Golden Ale gets a 3.52. So the people on Untapped like the Big Wave a little bit better than the Longboard Lager. Okay, so let's get this one open. One more quick look at the bottle. And there's the cap. All right. Okay, I brought out 2 glasses. Here we go. Longboard Island Lager. Longboard. Sounded like I said Longboard. And I probably did. Nice clear color, nice carbonation, decent head. Typical lager, light golden maltiness. It may be a tad bit of they said it should be a little bit spicy. I think I can pick a little bit of that up. All right, let's taste the head. Little bit of that breadiness. Not a whole lot of flavor though. Let's go right into the body. Cheers. Very light, crisp, and refreshing. Has a nice maltiness to it. It's not real sweet. Maybe 3 to 3.5 sugar cubes. There's only a tiny bit of bitterness. Overall, it's a good lager. It's nothing exceptional. Be nice in the hot weather. Good lawnmower beer. Now this variety pack, I paid $18.49 for a 12-pack. I think that comes to about $1.55 per bottle, in that range anyway. So that's not too pricey. Because it did come with 2 IPAs, the Longboard Lager and the Big Wave Golden Ale. This Longboard Lager is pretty good. There's nothing wrong with it. It's a good tasting beer. Nothing exceptional. I would probably score that one maybe a B, a high B, 87 out of 100. So I'm going to open up the Big Wave Golden Ale and just compare them and see which one I like better. See if I agree with the people on Untapped that say that this one is a little bit better. These are the last two beers out of the variety pack. Very similar. I think the ale is a little bit darker. Similar carbonation, maybe a little more carbonated. Let's see. I think the head on the ale actually has a little bit less flavor. It's really not much in the head. Go right into the body. This is really just an excuse to drink 2 beers instead of 1. But don't tell anybody. This one is very, very smooth. Let me go back to this one. They're very similar, actually. If you handed me 2 glasses of beer and didn't tell me that they were different and I drank them, I would believe that they were the same beer. This one is a little bit smoother. Damn, they are really close. For me, it would be a tie. This one has no rough edges whatsoever. The lager is slightly zestier, a little bit more active, has a little bit of an edge to it. Really, I guess it's just a preference. If you like your beer a little smoother, you go with ale. If you like a little bit of an edge to it. The sweetness is about the same. I think maybe the Longboard Lager has a slight bit more hoppiness, but they're both very low on the bitterness. For me, it's a tie. Well, that's going to do it. What did I say on the Longboard? A B? I think I said a B. 87 out of 100. When I reviewed the Big Wave Golden Ale out of a can some time ago, I think I gave it an A or an A minus. But, you know, sometimes if I review a beer today and I love it, I've had instances where I will drink that same beer again later on and not like it as much. You know, it kind of goes up and down. It's just the way it is. So that's going to do it. These 2 beers are basically the same to me. Maybe the Longboard Lager I like maybe a little bit extra. But that's going to do it. Thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate it.